Hello friends, you are watching mathematics channel number Collage. This is JEE 2022-21 question on coordinate geometry with questions asked varying the values in 2023-24. Here in the question, E1 and E2 are given to be the eccentricities of this ellipse and this hyperbola respectively. B is less than 5 and the product E1 E2 is 1. We have to find the eccentricity of the ellipse having its axis along the coordinate axis and passing through all the four foci, 2 of the ellipse and 2 of the hyperbola. We will start by formulating the eccentricities of the ellipse and hyperbola. For the ellipse, x square upon b square plus y square upon 25 equals 1. B is given to be less than 5, which means b square will be less than 25. So in the equation, since this b square, which is the denominator of x square, is less than the denominator of y square 25, it is going to be a vertical ellipse like this, and hence square of its eccentricity even square will be 1 minus p square upon 25. The hyperbola x square upon 16 minus y square upon b square equals 1. Here denominator of y square, which is b square, being greater than the denominator of x square. This is a standard horizontal hyperbola like this, and square of its eccentricity will be e2 square equals 1 plus b square upon 16. Now e1 into e2 is 1, so e1 square into e2 square will also be 1. So taking product of this 1 minus b square upon 25 and this 1 plus b square upon 16 equals 1. 25 minus b square upon 25 multiplied by 16 plus b square upon 16 equals 1. This will be 25 into 16, 400 plus 25b square minus 16b square minus b power 4 equals 25 into 16, 400. 25 minus 16, 9b square minus b raised to 4, cancelling 400 equals 1. B square into 9 minus b square equals 0. Now since b is positive and not equal to 0, b square will be 9 and b 3. Now we will find the coordinates of the four foci. Now for ellipse, we have e1 equals square root of 1 minus b square upon 25 square root of 1 minus this 9 upon 25 square root of 16 upon 25 4 upon 5. So e1 is 4 upon 5. Its foci will be 0 comma plus minus b e1 equals 0 comma plus minus 5 into 4 upon 5. That will be 0 comma plus minus 4. Now for the hyperbola, e2 is square root 1 plus b square upon 16, 9 upon 16 square root 25 upon 16, 5 upon 4, and its foci plus minus a e2 comma 0 plus minus 4 into 5 by 4 comma 0, that will be plus minus 5 comma 0. Now the new ellipse passes through the 4 points, the 4 foci plus minus 5 comma 0 and 0 comma plus minus 4. Now standard equation of ellipse with center at the origin is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals 1. Here we have a square equals 25 and new b square, b dash square is 16. And since a square greater than b square, the major axis is along the x-axis, so it's a horizontal ellipse. Its eccentricity e will be square root of 1 minus b dash square upon a square square root of 1 minus 16 by 25 square root of 9 by 25, 3 upon 5. Hence, the correct answer option here is B, 3 upon 5. This one here. Friends, if this video is of any help to you, please like, share and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.